Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I am in my boys' room, and I'm going to be showing you this craft that I did. I made them I did the little Lego stuff on the wall. You guys, as you can see, that is all that I did, but let me tell y'all, I'm done. This project is another all-day project, and for that little bit, I used 4 pieces of construction paper each. And then, I used my sticker machine to do the little stickers. But, y'all, this was the process. I'll probably do some more, but I'm not doing it right now. Mama not doing it right now. So, stay tuned, you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be, I guess, trying to create a Lego wall in my boys' room. I've done a few projects in both of my daughter's rooms, so now it's time for me to move on to the boys, and they are a huge fan of Legos. So I went out and bought some colored construction paper. I just realized I do not have orange, so I hope it don't turn out to look too bad without the orange. And then I went to Google and I just typed in Lego template, Lego block template. And of course I just blew the template thing up and then, cut it down to these blocks. So now the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trace these on the colors and yeah, see how this turns out. I'm excited to see. I know the boys are going to be happy. So first, I guess I got to trace all these blocks out, and I'll be back. Okay, so the only thing I've done now is take my 1.5 inch hole punch and punch out a bunch of circles. Those are going to serve as the blocks for the inside, the little circles. So right now I have to take in, I'm not sure if I'm going to put 2 together or 3, probably 3 to try to give it a 3D dimensional look, and then I'm just going to glue them onto the blocks. Okay, so now that I got all of my little circles cut out, what I went on ahead and did, and also my daughter, what she helped me do, is just trace over the circle or the outer edge with a marker, or you can use paint, but I think the marker is more precise, just so when I put it up on the wall, it's going to give like a shadow effect. And so now what I've been doing is just taking and gluing them onto, onto the first one that I cut out. And see, this is with not marker. This I actually did with the paint, and as you can see, each of them are like different shades, and I just didn't like that, so we switched it up and just did it with a marker, and it came out so much better, which is why the yellow is on point. So I recommend doing it with a marker. So now I'm going to continue putting all of my blocks on, the circles on. I'm just doing it with a glue gun, and then I will come back. Alright, so I got all of my blocks and things done. They are here in this bucket, and I'm about to go get ready to stick them on the boys' walls. You can use either putty. I think that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use putty. You can use tape, double-sided tape. You can use whatever you think is safe and will work on your wall. I'm going to put them high up in the corner because they are 3 and 4, and I don't want the little hands touching them or tearing them down. So I'm headed to the room.